Dreame, a company best known for its high-performance robot vacuum cleaners, is preparing to make a bold statement at CES in Las Vegas. But this year, it's not just about cleaning. Dreame is officially stepping into two brand-new product categories, signaling a major evolution for the brand. At CES, Dreame will unveil its first-ever smart ring and its first action camera. While details are still limited, the move itself is significant. Dreame now sees itself as more than a home appliance company. The brand says it's becoming an enabler of connected living, focused on building a smart ecosystem where technology works quietly in the background to make everyday life simpler and more seamless. To support that vision, Dreame is making a strong physical impression at CES. The company will operate two booths this year. Its main flagship ecosystem exhibit will cover more than 1,200 square meters at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Meanwhile, a second booth at the Venetian will feature a dedicated zone showcasing Dreame's premium smart cleaning solutions. Although Dreame hasn't revealed full specifications yet, it has shared a few hints. The upcoming smart ring is designed around holistic wellness, suggesting a focus on health tracking and lifestyle insights. The action camera, on the other hand, is described as thumb-sized, pointing toward extreme portability and ease of use. Beyond these new categories, Dreame is also expanding its core lineup. The company will introduce the X60 Max Ultra, its new flagship robot vacuum. Measuring just 7.95 centimeters tall, it's one of Dreame's slimmest designs yet and features what the company calls reinforcement smart learning for improved navigation and performance. CES will also see the debut of a first-of-its-kind sparkling water refrigerator, a new pool cleaning robot, and the global launch of Dreame's corner-embedded D-Wind series air conditioner, previously available only in China. Together, these announcements highlight Dreame's growing ambition to move beyond single-purpose devices and toward a fully connected vision of smart living. CES may mark the beginning of a very different chapter for the brand.